What's going on, ladies and gents? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the reverse coffee grinder to Ruminigi. Alright, so a reverse coffee grinder to Ruminigi looks like this. Okay, from here, coming from this position, well, kind of this position. Okay, you're going to come from here and come out. Okay, now that doesn't necessarily have to come from one knee. Come from this position. Okay, come from the hook and come back out. Okay, so hopefully in frame, I can't really see the screen right now, but that's what it looks like. And I got a back screen today, so hopefully that helps out as I film in this very humid and hot sunny day in I think Morristown, New Jersey. Anyways, so let's get right onto it. Okay, so you're going to see the back screen and the front screen. Okay, I'm going to go from here. Very limited range of motion for me with these jeans, so I'm working with what I've got, because when you perform, sometimes you don't have the most ideal situations. So, okay, what's going to happen here, I'm going to swing this leg back, okay, like a C, okay, like a C like this, as you can see from the back view. Okay, what I'm not doing, okay, is shooting it back. Don't do that. Okay, you lose the whole helicopter coffee grinder look if you shoot it back. It has to have that rotation feel. Okay, from here, you're gonna swing it back. Okay, we're gonna call that one, I guess, swing 1, 2, 1, 2. From here, you're gonna come to the front. Okay, you're gonna bring this knee, your left knee or right knee, depending on where you're doing this, to connect, but you're not gonna exactly connect. You're gonna use this momentum to push you forward. Okay, and you're going to use your hands to push you off. Okay, and I kind of use my back foot right here to push me off as well. Okay, so here, as I'm connecting into a seating position, into a half split or the Ruminigi, which is the whole forward, back to forward kind of motion. We're going to go 1, 2, sit 3, all the way 4. So let's make it 4 counts. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, connect 3, and sit 4. Okay, probably not the best counts, but we're working with it. Okay, so let's try it. I'm gonna switch it up so you have a double side view going on. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, sit 4. Okay, ultimately you want to cut out the 4, the 3, and just go into the 4, into the landing. Hit, swing, boom. Okay, technically same thing, but the motions go faster. It's like a 1 and 2 kind of motion. So ideally it would look like this: 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, awkward landing on that, but whatever. Okay, so let's start picking it up a little bit for this demo. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, shoot. Okay, notice I'm starting to push a little bit, really shoot that a little bit more. Boom. Okay, do that one more time, this side, and then we'll actually try to, go full speed. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so one of the things I'm doing here, since if you're just starting with this move, from here, I'm pushing, and I'm kind of pushing off for this as well. Okay, that way I get into this sitting position. Okay, try not to land too hard on your butt, or else obviously you're gonna hurt your tailbone. And then out. Okay, so last one. Okay, we're gonna then, we'll finish it out. Let's do it tempo twice. Okay, it goes 1 and 2, full tempo. Okay, medium and slow and medium go 1, 2, sit 3, 4. Okay, faster goes into that fast tempo. Okay, I keep checking back because I don't want to obstruct this beautiful view from other people to enjoy. There are people. There's people here. Oh no. So, okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. Let's come from like a hook position. Oh no, it's gonna throw off my counts. Okay, let's come from here. Last time. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. That's that. The basic reverse coffee grinder, Ruminigi, very basic footwork move, or really like mini combo, which is a combination of 2 moves. Remember, a lot of the stuff that I'm teaching you guys, beyond just like basic steps, just a combination of just experimenting, just putting things together. This is not an original move. It's just a basic fun move that I teach my students. And What I love about it is that it seems difficult, but it's actually very easy to execute. For once you've got the basics, next thing to do is practice the technique. Not too intense, but focusing on the form and executing correctly. And then slowly building the intensity. Then you kind of pick it up again, slow, involving it into your freestyles slowly, so that way you're focusing on technique, and then picking up the speed. It's always learning how to walk before you run. Alright, so that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. And a quick pro tip I gave you at the end. If you like this video, it's your first time on my channel, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this with friends who you think might benefit from it, and also make sure to hit the bell button so you get notifications when new videos come out. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.